Here's one for the Camaro fans, and it is an absolute beauty. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. And listen to this, 2,408 actual miles on this car. Clean Carfax confirming that. No accidents indicated. 305 V8 power underneath the hood, so 5-liter. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted to the 134A. Blows cold, heat blows hot. And yes, take a look at that paint. Front fascia. This car does look as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. It reflects the low miles. Speaking of pictures, check them out. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the correct Camaro RS wheel. Goodyear radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches, really any imperfections in this car. Dark red metallic paint, red interior, bucket seats, of course, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer peek at that interior. But again, passenger side, absolutely beautiful. Electric trunk, closed down, working order. It will come with a car cover. It also has the locking lug nut key. That will come along with it. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. It looks like the paint's wet on this car. No joke, in person, it's beautiful. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. You'll see this car from every angle. Interior, exterior, undersides, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726 if you're interested in this car. I don't think it's going to stick around too long. Condition up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see the reflection in that paint. Looks like it's wet. There's one little itty-bitty tiny spot over here by this keyhole. And I mean itty-bitty tiny. I don't even know if I can get it to show up. Guess you can kind of see it right there. That is being extremely fussy, folks. Let's take a look at this interior, which is also like new. So power windows and power locks, cruise control works, armrest. I mean, no discoloration anywhere in that door panel. Carpeting down below, the bottom portion of the door, good shape. Speaking of carpeting, it's like new in the car, as well as the seating surfaces, seat belts, no discoloration. Again, reflects the actual miles in this car of 2,408. There it is right there. Ready to go, 2,409. You can see that. Whoops, sorry about the focus. It's going to top. There you go. Fire this one up. Alright. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is working. Tax working. Top of the dash. Like new. AM, FM. Cassette. Let's check out the stereo. Stereo working. Headliner good shape. And again, seating surfaces, it's like new. Nice color red. And again, dark red metallic paint on the exterior. Sounds as you'd expect. Complete exhaust, catalytic converters intact. Brakes are in like new condition. It did have the front sway bar links have been replaced. No surprises on this one. Let me go ahead and pause this. Let's get this hood popped. I want you to be able to take a peek underneath there and let's see how clean that is. Stick around to the very end. Of course, Jason will take this one for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Look at that hood liner. That's like new too. This car has not been driven in inclement weather. Tell that. Here it is. 305 5-liter. They don't get any cleaner underneath the hood. And considering this car is what, 35 years old now, 34 years old. Sounds good, looks good. Original mile car, 2,408, ready to just flip to 2,409. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1991 Chevrolet Camaro, and I gotta say, amazing condition. The paint is so beautiful. The interior is so striking in this red and black. Just a great looking Camaro. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's super easy to drive. The blower motor works, the wipers work, all our gauges are working. Turn signal indicator is working. The cruise control works. Very good acceleration, as you would expect from a V8 Camaro. Our oil pressure is showing approximately 50 pounds. The fuel gauge showing a half a tank. The temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge, and the volts are charging over 14. Tachometer on the right working as it should. Showing we're doing 52 miles an hour at about 1,200 RPM. That is nice RPMs. I don't think I've seen one in this interior color scheme. It looks really good. The red is so rich. And it's not overbearing, it's just really good looking. One of the last generation steering wheels for this car, for this body style car. A little thicker, a little more grip. Brakes are nice and smooth. Steering is easy thanks to power steering. Corners really flat. Good sway bars. There's the kick down. Working on the automatic transmission. Very smooth running, great looking 1991 Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.